time and planning. Why? Well, it's important to plan out your day and kind of manage your time throughout the day, especially since you're learning from home. It will help you keep up with the work that you have so you can get it turned in on time, which will lessen how many worries you have. Right? You'll feel less stressed if you know what's coming and when you're going to do it, which will help you be successful. Time and planning is a lot easier said than done. So how? Well, I've got a couple tips and strategies for you. One thing you can do is make and follow a schedule. You can do this on your iPad with the template, or you can just write it in a notebook, like this. So I'm going to open my notebook and write daily schedule at the top. I'm going to put times on the left and the task or whatever I'm going to do on the right. I'm going to start with when I wake up, just 7:30 to 8:30, get ready for the day. Your wake up time might be a little different, and that's okay. 8:30 to 11:50 is class, right? All those Google Meets. 11:50 to 12:20, maybe lunch. Yum. 12:20 to 1:10, more class. 1:10 to 2, probably work time, but depending on your responsibilities, you could fill that in. 2 to 3, visit your teacher's office hours. 3 to 4, free time, be active, go outside, take a break after school, right? 4 to 5, maybe finish your homework if that's a good time for you. And then write in the other times, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 10, right? And you fill in what you want to do. 9 to 10, probably get ready for bed. That might be a little different depending on you and your day. So fill in those times and what works for you, but you want to make sure that you have time to get everything done in the day. The other thing you can do is use a to-do list. I'm going to write to-do at the top. So here's a little example. I'm going to make a little box I can check off with. I'm going to write the name of the class, whatever that assignment or task is, and then when it's due, so I know like what's most important to get done. The things that are due sooner, I'm probably going to do sooner, right? So here's some examples. Math, exit ticket, today at 3, right? ELA, research, it's due by tomorrow, or maybe it doesn't have a time. American Studies, history project, it could be out a little further, February 19th. And I will check them off as I go, which feels great. You don't have to hold on them in your brain to try to think about what all you have to do. You can just get it down on paper and check them off as you go. Another thing is just set reminders. It's easy to forget things and get distracted. So use alarms on your iPad or on a phone. Set an alarm to remind you to go to office hours, to remind you about that meeting you have set up, about class. Use the calendar. You can set up a Google Calendar so that it gives you reminders about your classes. And if you're not sure, ask your teachers for some help on how to set that up. All right, so use these different tips and tricks to manage your time and plan out your day so you can be successful.